Hey guys, it's Mary and welcome back to Study Journey. Welcome back to the Python series. This is episode 12 of the word game. If you have not watched the previous episodes, make sure to watch those first. They're all in this playlist link down below. In today's episode, we're going to be writing the rest of the function playing a hand. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the second way to end this game is if there are no more letters left in the hand. So in the previous episode, we have gotten this far with our play hand function. And so the first way to stop this game is if the user inputs 2 exclamation points. The second way is if there are no more letters in the hand, our game will end. And then we will just simply print out ran out of letters and then the total score. So if the number of letters in our hand, or calculate handle n, so if we calculate handle n with our current hand, and that is equal to 0, so if our current hand is equal to 0, then we're just going to simply print out ran out of letters, the total score, and then we're going to print out the total score, that many points. And now, if we do this, then we have to end this loop and get out of this while loop again. So we're going to set the stop value equal to 0. And now that we have this, we can simply return the total score. And then, before we actually play this hand, remember we have to update the current hand to hand.copy because we're copying this hand. Okay, now that we have this, I'm going to go over to the ps3.py and see the play hand, and I'm going to copy this over. And then I'm going to go above it and then copy over the calculate handle in. Now that we have this, we can scroll to the bottom, and as we can see, we do not have the code for play game yet, so we have to comment that out, and then we're going to implement play hand with the parameters of hand and then word list. Because we need an actual hand to be able to play this, I have just written a hand above it, and you can create your own, but remember the first part, the key is the letter, and then the value is how many times the letter appears in your hand. And now that we have this, we can save this, Command S, and then go over to our terminal, and I'm going to enter the first folder, CS practice, and then ps3.2, and open this Python 3 file, ps3.py. And then now that we have this, we can type in a word or 2 exclamation points to indicate that we are finished. I'm going to type in math, and as we can see, it prints out the word and also how many points we get. So now that we have this, in the next episode, we can continue on with our code.